Lexie here. Today I'm going to be doing a recreation look. I will be trying to do my best following a Nikkietutorials tutorial. So I picked Nikkietutorials because one, she's like super glam, and I feel like if I want to go all out for makeup, I need to just do glam makeup. And two, because she's just beautiful and she's really transformed the beauty community. The first person I ever saw doing Nikkietutorials, I tried to kind of video, was Kato Potato. She's an Aussie. She's super funny. You should definitely check her out. By the way, this is not a hickey. I scratched myself, okay? Okay. The video I picked was Ending Makeup Shaming, Go to Ultra Glam Makeup Tutorial. The reason I picked this video is, one, the video had a really powerful message, and that was something I really wanted to connect to. Also, it has not glitter on the eyes, really. Like, it has a little bit of glitter, but not too much, and I don't have any glitters, so I chose this one because it was a little bit more natural, and it looked like something I could do, and it looks like something I would wear. So this is what it is supposed to look like at the end. We have our, okay, can you like focus? I don't know if you can see everything, but that's what it's supposed to look like at the end. Beautiful red lips and a red-brown winged eye with some crazy long lashes. So I will be following a tutorial. I am not going to have her video playing during my video because I don't have a way to screen share and put it into my videos. Also, I don't want to get copyrighted. I don't know if that would be copyright, but I don't want to take my chances. So I am just going to watch, pause, and then tell you what I'm doing and what she did. So she did her brows off camera, and I did as well. But also, she did her foundation on camera, but I decided to do my foundation off camera because, let's be real, I'm not going to own any of the products she's using in this video. Any of them. But I still wanted to try my best. Let's go ahead and start in with the eyes. Okay, so what she's doing right now, she's priming her eyes with a MAC paint pot. I don't have that. I'm cheap. So I'm going to go in with my Bella Pierre foundation stick, and I'm going to put a little layer on my eyes. I feel very cakey today, by the way. I tried to make my foundation as full coverage as possible, and yeah, I feel disgusting. Blend, blend, blend. I should probably do this with a beauty blender. What am I doing? Okay, so I did the priming. Let's see what she does next. What she does first and go into a red-brown color. I'm going to go into this one here. This is Coffee First from the Too Faced Best Year Ever 2018 palette. And then with a kind of small crease brush, I'm going to start blending that in soft circular motions on my eyeballs. So we're gonna do this, guys. You ready? Wow. This palette always continues to surprise me. Okay, let's see what happens next. Hers did not turn out as dark as mine because mine that I used was a lot more pigmented. But okay, then she's going into a creamy color. I'm going to go into Good Girl with, oh my god, slow down, slow down, slow down. Okay, I'm going to go into Good Girl from the same palette, and I'm going to blend the edges. Hopefully this will lighten it up too, because mine turned out so dark. Does that look lighter? Oh my god, yes. Okay. We're doing good, guys. We're doing good. Okay, next she's mixing two shades together to make a really dark red-brown. I'm going to go into this brown here from the Kat Von D Rust Shade and Light palette, and I'm going to use that as my brown color. Okay, so taking that with a little brush, I have to do soft circular motions in the outer corner. This supposedly is going to enhance the rose gold of my look, but girl, this don't look rose gold. This definitely looks Nikkietutorials though. It's glam AF. Okay, okay, looking smoky and beautiful. Hers looks a lot rose gold and mine looks very brown. Okay, so she's taking a cream pigment and she's putting it on her lid. It's a golden color but has a pink tinge to it. For that, I picked out my Bella Pierre little shimmer roll. This is a goldeny pink shimmer roll, and I'm just going to put some on the back of my hand. And then I'm going to wet my brush and put that all over my lid. Oh my god. Okay. When this is applied wet, it no longer looks pink. I still look good though. Okay, I'm going to try to correct this and make this look a little bit more pink. So I'm going to go into this pink highlighter, same wet brush, and try to put that on top. So it's a little more pinky, but it's still pretty, you know. She's just painting it on there. Thick, man. I don't have any cream eyeshadows like that. But dang. Okay, actually hers is looking a little more bronzy at first, so I'm gonna add some bronze. Oh my god, that's like perfect. That's gorgeous. Okay, so she wants a blinding inner corner. The most blinding thing I have is this bright, like silvery white shimmer roll from Bella Pierre yet again. So taking a tiny little wet brush, I'm gonna put this on. Ready? Oh my god, yes. Are you witnessing? Oh, beautiful. I'm loving this. Now she's doing the lower lash. And what she's doing for that, she's taking that dark shade that we used from this palette. She's taking that along the outer V first. Wow, it's dark. She's doing that, and then she's going into that red shade that she used in her crease. So I'm going to go into this one, and she's blending that into the dark color. So I'm looking like a hot mess, but I think I look okay, you know? Okay, she's doing a insane wing liner. I'm doing that off camera because it takes me ages, so be back in a few minutes. I tried to make my wings match, but they aren't matching that much. You know what? We're just gonna have to go with it. Once we throw on lashes, you won't be able to tell that they don't match that much, right? Why is winged eyeliner so hard to do? It's so sad. Literally, this took me like 10 minutes, guys. Not even gonna lie. Okay, so let's finish. Let's see what's next. Dang, she cutting the gots with them wings. Okay, she's taking some thick boy lashes. So my thick boys are right here. So we're gonna see. We're gonna try it. It's gonna take me a hot minute for these lashes to like dry so I can put them on my face. So phone time. So I got the lashes on. I feel very heavy, but I look gorgeous. I'm really surprised she's not doing any like brow highlight, but I'm starting to think my wangs aren't long enough. I lengthened my wangs, guys. Okay, we're cutting our cheekbones apparently. I got some, I'm kidding, I don't have scissors. But I'm gonna go into this darker shade here because she bronzes as well, but she cuts her cheeks first. So girl, I like this brush. Yes. Okay, our cheekbones are cut. She goes in and do some bronzer, so going into the lighter shade under it, I'm gonna bronze up the face. Just around the temple, the sides, go down. Make sure you go down the neck. Next, she takes a pinky peachy blush. So I'm gonna use my Too Faced blush. Now we need an unreal, out of this world glow. Going into the white shimmer roll, I'm going to use that as my blinding highlight. Because we gotta be blinding, you know. Girl. She good. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm loving it. So I'm such a glowy person, so like, she's like perfect to do a tutorial with, because that's me. Next she goes in with a red liquid lipstick. I have this Bella Pierre Hibiscus. I mean, it's not like red, but it's like bright red. But she puts a powder on top of it to make it sparkly. And the powder I'm going to use is like a darker red, so you mix the two together. And you know what I'm saying. You get it, right? I'm a little outside of my lip line because she got some big lips. And I don't. I look a little bit like Miranda Sings, but it's okay. She's famous too. Maybe I should do a makeup tutorial for her. To bring in that red effect, I'm going to go into the shade Dollhouse up in my 2018 thing. I use this thing every single day. Honestly, it just needs to be called Lexie's palette. Oh my god. That is beautiful. Ads are my favorite. Oh, they are my favorite. Oh, sarcasm. Okay, guys. Side-by-side comparison. So, that's the queen herself. And this is me. You can't see it very well because my phone's stupid. Maybe if I turn my brightness all the way up? Oh, god, no. How about all the way down? Nope. Or right in the middle. She's too bright. Okay, so you know what she looks like, right? Yeah. 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 There you go. Do we look the same? Here, let me do the pose. Do we look anything alike? I tried really hard, guys. I tried really hard. Like, girl, like, oh, these wings. 10 minutes to do these wings? I tried. I felt like I did okay. If you guys really like this video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You know, I mean, there's tons of videos on this channel. I do Marshall's hauls, I do some tutorials, I do tons of reviews, and I feel like this makeup looked really good. So, if you guys want me to do anybody else's like recreations or any other video from Nikki, I don't care. Just give me a video to do if you want me to do one, you know? Just comment down below who you want me to do or what video / like what video for who. Like, for example, if you say another Nikki video, say like New Year's one or something. I'm probably not gonna be able to do that one, but we can try. I don't know. So if you want to see more, comment down below, of course. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys as always, and bye!